Hello, how are you doing, all my dear friends? I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here, that's the hydraulic tractor from Leisu, Fendt 1050. So it's all CNC chassis and cabin in mudguard with hydraulic control valves and all the future upgrades. Let's see the details of this one. So we got the green and white color that's originally from factory painting assemble. Here have the yellow and also red one. It's us painting assembled, also customized with sound system, smoking, and also you can choose which kind of radio you prefer. So now this one already I set up with the Risky XE Lite radio for fine control. So let's first see all these details. So from forward, let's see here we have this hook for lifting hydraulic control for forward counterweight block. And here have one more hook, this one we can pulling, yeah, so unlock it. This one from rear side, you will see here have the hook. So unlock it, then you can pull it out. And that's the locking pin. Pull, that's unlock, and fit it back. So, and at the forward here, we have one more valve channel for upgrades. And you here see you forward two connection, right one connection, left one connection. That's not a valve, that's directly from pump, inlet, and the return line. For future upgrades for front, you can connect another tools with valve control. So two here, two in, two return for main oil channel. But this is one valve. So here we have one valve here for lifting, lowering, one spare valve, and one special valve for self-returning steering. So when pump running, you operating it, it's a self-return wheel steering. And check from rear side all these connections for tools. So from top, we will see here have two screws. That's directly from a pump coming to here, one inlet, one return line for future upgrades. No valve, yeah, directly from pump main line. And here, one channel valve, again one channel valve, one channel valve, one channel valve. That's a 4 spare valve channel for future upgrades. And here that's for the rear tool. So pulling unlock, that's for here again, yeah, you can lock in for the rear side tools. And lift up, pulling, unlock, and lock secure back to this position. So at the top, this, you will see two connections for power supply. Also in the middle, there are many pins for future upgrades, maybe rear side tools, LED. And here that's two positive and negative power supply. So here have one more hook. This hook secured by pin locked by this hook. And so this main supporting bar, middle, it is a slot. So remove the screw. This hook, you can move it down, connecting to this position. They have many holes left and the right side. So adjust this hook height. And for bottom, here have one more hook pin. This pin now you cannot pull out. It is locked. So turn around a little bit, this one, that's the unlock. So push it, it is unlocked. Then you can take out this pin. And push in, here you can see there is a slot there. That's for locking by this one. So push in, you can feel there is a power for locking it. Locked. Unlock, lock, cannot pull out. So here, that's a rear side tools hook point, but controlled by hydraulic cylinder, one left, one right. Yeah. And this connecting bar, you can see here you have the handle. You can turn in, adjusting the length, the height of this bar. So here, lift up, it will be unlocked. Yeah, then this one you can turn it to adjust the length, the height of this bar. Also left side. for turning manually. Lock it back. So for this rear tools bar, connecting bar is here. Also with screws, you can adjusting this screw length by the nuts. And here you can remove the pin for turning it and lock it tight. Then you can also adjusting this position for the bar. So remove this pin, you will be able to see here in the middle, there is one shaft for rear tools power. So now, when you drive the tractor will move, this pin not turning. So now I will change into neutral position, drive, tractor not moving, and also now shaft is not turning. So I will switching on the power, engage the gears for the rear shaft power. Now, when driving, the shaft is turning with power for rear side future tools. And switch it off. Only gearbox turning now at neutral position. Then engage in the driving gears. It's going. So for the tires, it's quite tough. So with these high tools, you can digging in the mud for dragging power. And all the mud guard here is CNC alloy with red light, turning lights, braking lights, and here also have the white light when you're driving backward. And for all the rims, CNC alloy with all 4x4 drive and the gearbox inside for hub reduction power. Forward mud guard also metal one. This one it is a steel one, connecting to front axle. So this side, that's the CNC alloy oil tank. And here, that's the cap, open for fill up hydraulic oil. This first screw remove the cover inside there. We put a air vent, so only air coming out, no oil coming out, even you lean over. That's our customized one. And turn around. So see this side, that's the chimney. So actually, we already drill a hole inside and add our customized sound system and also smoking system. Smoking hose is coming from here, coming smoke. And if we remove this box inside, that's the pump and pressure valve. So lift up front cover, also in C1, yeah. That's the smoking unit here, hose going down, coming out smoke from chimney. So on there, that's the light board, the receiver, driving ESC power switch, and in the middle on there, that's all the oil hose channel. And the valve block, it's all in the middle chassis on there. So for unlocking front engine cover, now it is locked. At the bottom, that's the turning unlock. Pushing on top, pushing top and turning it, it is unlocked. So now you can lift it open. Here you will see. So now it is unlocked. Lock. At this position will be start locking. Pushing to top, turning it, it is locked. Here that's, you can see from here, will be locking from this position. That's the slot here. Okay, pushing in, pushing to top, turning, locked. Okay, so here inside, that's the steering cylinder. Also, it is connected with connecting bar to steering special valve. So every time turning the oil from valve coming to cylinder, also cylinder oil, it is pushing, go to the valve. It is interlocked with mechanism for oil self-return. Later I will try to explain to you from the kit version. So also you can see from the suspension, yeah, that's the bar. So the ball connection is for turning. CVT drive shaft in the middle. Axle driving shaft, sorry. So on the table, you can see how it's moving, and one by one. Independent suspension, this side. Check from bottom. So all these chassis all CNC alloy thick metal. So from bottom, check how the suspension working. So at the rear side, there is a cylinder with spring and oil inside. You can see the cylinder from this angle. So here, that's the cylinder this position. Let's compress it, you will see. So rear side axle, it is a through axle. So it is fixed, no suspension, fixed to the chassis. And from the bottom here, you can see the bar connection is pin. All these rear side suspension thick alloy metal. Mirror containing. Open the door. Magnetic secured. And check from inside. We have a panel LED. That's we took a hobby customize this LED. We added to it from original factory. No have it. Let's see the net weight. Now it's already with hydraulic oil and a small 2S battery. So it is 8.3 kg. So the hydraulic oil, actually I put around 60 minimum liter. Okay, all the details for the tractor we already see. Let's see the functions. So LED lights, all out, circulating, turn on one by one. And also here you will see the turning lights. Turning to right. Controlling warning lights. Shifting. Keep it flashing. Let's start the sound. Horn. Start engine sound. After start engine sound, here will come in smoke at idle speed. And then when I drive or moving hydraulic, it will blow more smoke. Increase the sound. Volume goes up. Let's go. Backward, we will have the beeping sound. Check it out how the steering it is moving. So self-return means control all the pump valve. Left. So turn around, lean one side, let's see the differential lock. So now it is at a differential. Differential lock it. It is locked. All wheels driven. Unlock. Forward, then backward, it is disengaged. And then shifting to high speed, middle is neutral position. Backward, high speed. Backward. Back to neutral, slow drive, then back to low speed, slow drive, engage the gear. So thank you for watching this, our customized Fendt 1050 tractor. And later, for what you like to be painted color, the sound, even what you like with the engine sound, the horn, what kind of radio settings you like, you tell me, I will get it done for you. Thank you, see you.